How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about Kegel exercises for men, the benefits. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So to find your Kegel muscles, the easiest way to do it is to stop peeing midstream. The muscles that contract when you stop peeing are the Kegel muscles. When performing the Kegel exercises, it's also important that your butt, thighs, and abdomen are relaxed. The best way we are going to do this is by being relaxed and laying on the floor, you guys. You can perform Kegel exercises standing up, but this is going to be much harder because your abs will be flexed. I don't recommend doing Kegel exercises standing up for beginners, only for intermediate or advanced people who have mastered the laying down Kegel exercises. In this video, I will show you one exercise lying down, and then it will also show you another exercise standing up. So once you master the exercise laying down, try the exercise standing up. So the first exercise that I'm going to show you lying down, and this is going to be for beginners, all it's going to be, you guys, is going to be a bridge exercise. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay on the ground. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the bridge. So with the bridge, all we're going to do is raise our hips like so, and we're going to hold this position for 20 seconds, you guys. So hold this position for 20 seconds. Once you can do that exercise for 20 seconds, try to do it for a little bit longer. Try to do it for 30 seconds or 40 seconds or however long you guys want to do the exercise for. Anything longer than a minute though, you kind of want to move up and advance into a different position or a different exercise. That different exercise that I'm going to show you guys is going to be the wall squat. The wall squat is a perfect intermediate exercise that you can do at home. Now, all you need to perform this exercise is any wall at all. It doesn't even need to be a wall. It can be anything that supports you. So with the wall squat, all we're going to do is we're going to get into a squatting position like so. And then all we're going to do is keep our back against the wall and hold this position for as long as possible. I recommend trying to do it for around 20 seconds or so. If you can do it for 20 seconds, try to do it for 30 seconds the next time, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, and then a minute. So again, the wall squat is a perfect exercise to do, and I highly recommend doing that. But again, before you can do the wall squat, I recommend mastering the bridge. The bridge exercise is a beginner exercise. The wall squat is an intermediate exercise. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate the support. Please subscribe to my channel again if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone. I do appreciate it.